Hey everyone, Brian here, back out for another camp, just a one-nighter. I'm gonna head back to our little Bushcraft base camp and do some work, hang out. My brother-in-law, Trail Beaner, should be joining me this afternoon sometime. I'm not sure when he's getting here, but he knows this land as well, so he'll be able to find me. It's a little swampy. Had some really warm weather here in Ohio this past week. Rain. I think it was upwards of 60 degrees on Thursday. Craziness. Very, very mild winter. I would definitely like a little bit more snowfall, but what are you gonna do? Looking at highs in the mid-30s today, low of 29 tonight. Perfect weather. Look at that massive stump. Signs of some of that logging that was going on. All right, stay tuned, everybody. I'll be back. Here we are. Everything appears to be just as I left it. Really straighten out my bed a little bit. Plan on getting some sawhorses built up because last time all that bending and sawing just it killed my back last time I was out here. So that's it. Maybe a few other little projects, we'll see. Just gonna enjoy my time out here for the night. Man, these brambles are just everywhere. I cleaned so much of them out last time I was out here to clear this area. I had a big old bush of it behind my shelter that kept snagging me up when I went to, anytime I had to adjust the tarp or setting it up. So one of the not so fun jobs of being out here, but worthwhile just to have a good camp area. So the ground is proper soaked. Mid-February, ground should be frozen. Oh, good times. Get them coals built up. Got a piece of salmon I'm gonna cook up for lunch. My brother-in-law should probably be on his way here anytime now. Let me get this tarp thrown up on my lean-to. And start getting some firewood together for the night after lunch. Dilly-dally with a few projects, so. Just hanging out. Enjoying the quiet. It's a beautiful thing. Some of this margarine on there. Meant to bring some olive oil, but these little cups of margarine will do fine. Go ahead and plop that right on the coals. And to go with it, I meant to pick up some veggies, but got too late last night, so just got a little potato. Do some scallop potato kind of deal. Hot. That's good. That is delicious. And believe it or not, it is the first time I've ever cooked salmon. Boy, is she good. Oh, a little splash of lemon juice would be great on it. Alright guys, I'm going to enjoy this lunch. Thoroughly enjoy this lunch, and I'll check back with you. It's snowing! Woo! Had to come on a rescue mission. Brother-in-law didn't know the way I came in, so I had to come hunt him down. Alright guys, I've just been processing some firewood. My brother-in-law's over there setting up his hammock because he's cool like that. It's my attempt at a sawhorse. I put some work in on her, and then she got loosey goosey. So I don't know, maybe some cross beams at the bottom too, or maybe the end should have been done on tripods. That's probably what I should have done, and probably what I will do. Out here learning, having fun. So bed's all cluttered with both of our gears. It's a properly snowing. Firewood's looking alright. Got a good jump on it. There's some more logs on the fire to keep her going. And I'm off to get some water. I don't have much left, and it'll be dark in no time. That sun's on its way down. It's about 5 o'clock, a little bit after. A bonus, there is, well, I got the Mohican River running down the side of this ridge, and there is a way down. It's a little steep, but it's still doable. But there is a natural spring on this property, so I'm gonna go hit that up. There she is. Gotta love what nature provides for us. You just know where to look. Coming right out the side of this hill. Getting the proper pile of wood for tonight. Started collecting some rocks for the fire. Me and Ben kind of took a little teamwork to get this mammoth stump over here. Nice seat. Gear just thrown about the bed. That's alright. And it's been steady snowing. It was supposed to snow, then it wasn't supposed to snow, and that is wonderful Northeast Ohio. Only place you could see all 4 seasons in an hour. I'm not lying. If you're from here or been here, you know what I'm talking about. Absolutely love being out in these woods. Alright guys, gonna gather a little more firewood, get dinner cooking soon, and be back. So, there's dinner on. Ben's handling the cooking. Got all the fixings over here. Ben brought some lettuce, some avocados, tomatoes, onions, pickles, a whole bag of ranch Doritos, some awesome onion.
Oh, if we die of anything, it's not going to be hunger.
It's not going to be hunger, that's for sure. If we die from hunger, it'll be an animal's hunger, not ours. And it is pitch black out. Steady snowing. Great night. Alright guys, here's the definition of eating like a king in the woods. Burger, cheese, ketchup, mayo, onions, tomato, and avocado. I brought the burgers, Ben brought everything else, and hooked it up. Oh, it's gonna be good. Oh, we got that fire going good now. That heat's coming right back into the shelter. Snow's let up. It's a good night. Alright everyone, that's it for tonight. I'm gonna sit back and watch this fire. Ben's off in his hammock. I'm all laid up for the night. So I'll check you guys in the morning. Good morning everyone. Oh, slept like a baby. Oh, I got the roosters crowing. Time to get moving. Oh, I'm so over this mud. So over it. Sawhorse is leaning, so I just propped it against that tree and it worked pretty well. Beautiful day. I hear Ben stirring. Nice. Alright guys, gonna get some coffee going and check back. Alright guys, had some coffee and oatmeal for some breakfast, getting all packed up now. Hopefully do this without putting my tarp all in the mud. Because yeah, camp's just a frickin' mud pit now. All that thick ice that was on that top layer melted this week, and so yeah, it's just swamp town. Camp Swamp Town. Letting that fire smolder out, and that's it. We'll be on our way. Kit's all packed up. Ben's just about packed up, and we're gonna hit the road. Oh, such a great day yesterday, and time getting out here. Alright everyone, that's it for this trip. On our way back out to the car now. Had a good time. I was glad my brother-in-law was able to come out for a little bit last night and have some good dinner and conversation around the campfire. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and for all the support. I really appreciate it. And until next time, take care everybody.